I'm going to show you how to use the Bollinger Band as a beginner Forex or crypto trader. All right. This is basically an indicator. It is what a technical tool which you can basically use to help what determine the trend of the market and when to enter, all right, for a buy or for a sell, and when to what exit a particular trade. If you stay with me till the end of this video, I'm going to show you what the part of what the Bollinger Band, all you need to know, and how to set the Bollinger Band right as you are seeing from the chart, and how to do a lot of stuff. All right, if you have not subscribed to the channel, ensure you subscribe for more tutorial like this. Without wasting time, let's do this. So guys, firstly, this is what the Bollinger Band, okay? It is called the Bollinger Band. All right, so I'm going to explain about what the part of what this particular band. We have what the upper band, which basically you are seeing here. Let me just try to do this so you guys can basically what see from here. Okay, I'll clear this up and you guys can basically see. So now you can see from this top, we have what three lines you are seeing. You have this blue line, okay? This blue area where you are seeing this course or where you are seeing these candles up. You have what this window, okay? And you basically have what this bottom. So you can basically see we have two section, okay? And this orange area is what divide both section. So this upper area is called what the upper band, okay, upper band, okay. Then this bottom is called what the lower band. All right, then this is our midline. There are a lot of terminologies, but as always, you already know me. I want to keep my tutorials very friendly, all right, very beginner friendly. I don't want to be explaining to you guys this is this, this is this. So this one where you are basically saying this arrow, all right, where you are seeing this arrow pointing is what the lower band. And this particular area at the top is what we call what the upper band. Okay, this is what the upper band where you're seeing this arrow pointing as well. So we have arrow at the bottom here, which is what this particular point is called what the lower band. This is what the upper band. So we have two particular, and this middle line separates what the upper band from that of what the lower band. Hope you are grabbing the concept. So now this Bollinger Band is what a technical indicator. As basically you know, we have three forms of what analysis. We have fundamental, which is trading with the news. We have sentiment, which means with mood or what emotion, and we have technical. This is what basically trading with what historical price data. You can basically check my technical analysis playlist for more tutorials about that. Okay, so basically this is when you basically like what try to see where price is going to move next, whether you want to enter for a buy or you want to enter for a sell trade. All right, so now you already know the part. All right, we have the upper band and we have the lower band. Now I'm going to show when to enter for a buy trade and when to enter for a sell trade. All right, but just know that we have what um the upper band, this area, and the lower band. So now let me explain to you, and I'm going to show you how you can basically set this particular indicator, all right, in your screen. So now the first thing is what? Whenever, all right, these candles, okay, whenever these candles are in the upper band, you want to go for what? A long trade. You want to buy. When we say long, it basically means what to buy. You are basically saying what the price of that particular asset is going to move up. So you are going to make profit, okay? You are going to make profit. So when price is basically now you can see from this scenario here, all right? You see the candles, all right, this candlestick, you can basically what the tutorial I explain about candlestick and the candlestick anatomy and everything. All right, just check the description section and all. So you can see when the candlestick basically are in the upper band, okay, this upper area is what we call the upper band. You want to enter for what? A buy what trade, okay. You want to go long, which means you are this is a currency pair of what zero USD, this is called USD. All right. So now you are saying what the price of gold is going to what increase because gold is what the base currency. Whenever you are buying the base currency, and you want to sell, you are selling what the quote currency. You can watch my Forex for beginners course in the Forex for beginners playlist. It is completely what beginner friendly. So now you want to enter for trades that are what whenever the candles are what in this particular what upper band. Okay, you only want to enter for what, like what, buy trades. Now you might ask, how do we enter for what, sell trades? This is what the opposite. Now as you are basically saying here, so now you see we have what, candles forming in the upper band. Okay, we have candles that are forming in the upper for what, sell trade when candles are in the lower band. Okay, when candles are in the lower band, it means what, the sellers are in control. You want to short. Okay, you want to short the market. Okay, so now you might be saying here, you might have a question, why are basically what, red candles, okay, forming in the upper band? This is showing that what, the sellers are now taking control over the market. Okay, this is basically what, the sellers are taking, all right, control over the market. Just like if you basically know support and resistance, at the top here, this upper band is going to be your resistance, and this lower band is going to be your support. And you always know we want to sell trades in the resistance, and we want to take buy trades in the support area. Okay, so now price what, move from here and price drop. Now we're in the lower. Now you what, enter for a sell, right? You see price continue to what, move down, move down, move down. We are currently using the 15-minute time frame. So each candle here represents what, 15 minutes. It took 15 minutes for each candle here to form. All right. So there are more terminology. Probably you might watch advanced tutorial that are telling you about this terminology and this terminology. But as always, I want to keep my tutorials very, very easy, very straightforward and clear for beginners. Okay. I'm doing these tutorials for completely what, beginners. Even if you have not understood any concept about this particular Bollinger Band indicator, you can basically go ahead and what, use it to trade. So let's go again for you just to basically see. Okay, for you to basically see. You see? So now one thing you must know about this Bollinger Band, okay? The wider the band, okay? The wider the band, it shows what? More volatility, more buying power or more selling power. Now you see this band at this area, you see this area is all open, but there is what? No candle forming at this particular area. It means what? The sellers are really in control. You are seeing all the candles that are forming, all right, are in this lower band. It means what? The sellers are really in control, which means there's high amount of what, selling power. High amount of what, selling power. And also when using the Bollinger Band to basically trade, you are not only going to use this Bollinger Band, you need other stuff. Like you can watch for candlestick pattern, like the bullish engulfing candle or the bearish engulfing what, candlestick pattern. All right. I'm going to explain about that in upcoming tutorials. So if you have not subscribed, you need to subscribe and turn on your bell notification icon. So whenever I post a tutorial like this, you are going to be the first to be notified. Okay. You can also reach me out by Instagram and Facebook at Sesay Concepts. I do offer free crypto and forex training for beginners, completely free. All right. So if you're interested, chat me up and let's see what we can do together. Together, we are in the race to end poverty. Back to the tutorial. So this is what you want to look for, what, sell trades. Okay, you see the markets really move down. Okay, and later what happened when you move here, you see the what, candle starts forming in the upper band, then you see starts moving up, price starts what, moving up. Okay, so now just like you are trading normal support and resistance, we have what we call a breakout. I'm going to leave a video in the description section about support and resistance, or you can basically check the technical analysis playlist to check about support and resistance. I explain about what, breakout and retest. So in this case, basically when we say a breakout is when candle move out of what, the upper band or what, the lower band. So now candle move like this, but this is not a complete what, breakout. Okay, it just try to show the amount of what, buying power or selling power. So you see candles are basically moving in this particular region. Okay, you see you want to enter for a sell and all. So now let me show you how to set this particular indicator in your app. So now this is what, BTC chart. This is a live market. All right, at the time of recording this video, this is a live market. BTC is going to 69,000. Okay, so now when you this a complete I'm going to do complete beginners tutorial about trading view. All right, it's a good platform that you can basically do your analysis for all financial markets, from crypto to forex to stock options and the likes. So when you basically arrive here, okay, you can come at the top here. You are seeing what, indicators. You just type in what, indicators. you see this chart icon here. All right, my favorite indicator that I basically use are Bollinger Band, moving average providers divergence, which is called MACD. I have a video already on that. You can basically check the description. All right, or you check the playlist to know about what the moving average providers divergence, and you can basically use that strategy. It has a win rate of 70%. If you are finding value, guys, smash that subscribe button for me, please. All right. So now you have what chat. Okay. You come to chat. You just type what Bolliger Band like this. All right. Just type what the Bolliger, all right, and you type what bands. So you are seeing it, right? So you can just, if you want to be using Bollinger Band, you just like do this as favorite, then which means it's going to be what your favorite band, all right, indicator. So you just tap in after this now, you just tap on this, okay? You just tap on this, then the Bollinger Band is going to appear. Bam! It's going to appear in what on your screen. Then now this is it, guys. Let's see how we can trade this after setting up this band. All right. The first thing you basically need to do, all right, is now to look at what the setup. This is going to tell you the current trend of the market. Okay. Are buyers in control or sellers in control? If buyers are in control, you want to go for what? A buy trade. You are predicting that what? The price of the particular asset is going to move to the upside. If sellers are in control, you want to go for what? Short trade or you want to sell. All right. You want to sell and make what massive cash. That's the power of what the financial market. It goes both way. If market is moving down, you make money. Market is moving up, you make money. Imagine that, guys. It's not amazing. Drop 100 if you are finding value so far in this particular tutorial. All right. So now you have set up your chart like this. So don't forget from what I mentioned earlier. Whenever candles are in the lower band, you want to go for what? Like sell, right? You see the market is dropping. When candles are what in the upper band, you want to go for what buy trades. Okay. So now if you look at this particular band there, let me just point my arrow so you can basically see what I'm explaining to you guys about. All right. So where you are seeing this arrow, you see this particular area in the band is what just empty, right? There's no candle here. This shows what strong what selling power. It means like sellers are in the market and they are killing it hard. No space for what buyers. This is BTC USD. So what are you going to be looking for at this particular time? You short the hell of the market, okay? Just short the market and you make what your 20, 30, 40 pips and you are good to go for the day or for the week. All right. So this is what a sell. So imagine enter here, then your take profit is here. You see, then that is one. Now let's look for what a sell buy setup. Let's look for a buy setup and let's see if this stuff is really working. Bam, guys. Now look at this. Look at this swift ride, guys. Now you see we have candle here. All right. This is what the candle here. Let me just use the arrow again. I already know like you have already did. Now look at this one. Okay, look at this one, guys. So now this when you basically see candle starts forming here, okay, you enter for what a buy. See swift guy. Imagine each candle you are seeing here currently is 15 minutes. So this is 15, 15, 30. What 1 hour, 2, 3, 4 hour, almost 4 hour. The market was what just trending, moving up, moving up. It's a bullish market. When you say bullish, it means the price is going up. Bearish, the market is coming down. Guys, I don't know if you are finding, but I want you to smash the subscribe button for me, please. Okay, so like this is basically it, and your TP can basically be in this region. Okay, in within the upper, like this upper band here, you can basically like see. So guys, this is what the Bollinger Band. You can basically combine what the Bollinger Band and MACD. That is going to be another tutorial in the future. I'm going to combine what both indicators, and we are going to use what candlestick patterns like the bullish engulfing candle or the bearish engulfing candle, and try to basically see how we can match both indicators together, and you can basically what make a whole amount of money. Let me know if you want me to do a tutorial about any indicator. All right, and definitely be rest assured. All right, I'm going to basically go ahead and do the tutorial for you. If you find value in this particular tutorial, it's going to make my day. If you subscribe, if you have not, like this video, share this video, and please drop something very good in the comment section. All right, our Telegram link are all in the description. You can basically join the Telegram to get free signals and send me a message by Instagram if you want to join our free Forex and crypto. All right, ready for beginners. Ladies are highly encouraged to what? Send in their interest. All right, I'll be delighted if ladies send in their interest as well. It must not only be guys, okay? The ladies are also highly welcome. All right, so the final takeaway, as promised, I have something stay till the end. It's like this one. Now, whenever this band is like this, all right, it's like now you want to stay away from the market. It means like what? The market is what? Ranging. This is what we call ranging market, chopping market. Okay. So you see, so you don't know, like this can be anything. After this particular area, anything can happen. We can have a breakout, or other markets move to the upside, or markets what moves toward the downside. So now let's say we are having a range chopping market here. Chopping market here, price move down here. You see, it was not constant, up and down, up and down. It was fluctuating, and what? Bam! We have what? A kind of what? A trending market, which means the market moved toward the upper side, right? It moved to the higher side, which means buyers took over. So you want to stay away when basically you see the band like this. Okay, when the band tries squeezing together, you want to stay away from the market. You can basically look for other trading pairs instead of BTC. Let's say for me, I only have three trading pairs: BTC USD, and I have Zaro USD, and I have GBP USD. All right, Joe Zaro for all the reasons. All right, so guys, this is basically it for today's tutorial. Stay blessed, and I'll see you in upcoming tutorial. Peace and light. Mwah.